Right, so here we are, masking tape in place, and just for additional accuracy, if this works out, I'm just going to put a line across each join, so when we cut it we can line up the pen lines hopefully. Here we go, got my lines drawn, so the next thing to do is just to cut and remove all the panels again. Right, just a little bit of paint prep for the Scuttle panel. Basically, I've already done it underneath this masked section here and on the back of the Scuttle, taken off all the paint and then put zinc weld through primer on there. So we've got those are the surfaces that will weld together, and then just to give us some extra protection, just put in it's just some gloss black kind of top coat seal. That'll go all on here. It's got primer, the original Heritage primer. I've put weld through just because I was spraying in this area. I'll put the black gloss on here, and then I'll actually put some wax oil just in that section there, staying away from where it will get welded though, because I don't want it to catch fire. Same on that side. So yeah, I'm just going to spray this, and then hopefully we can get it lined up and put a couple of spot welds on it. Right, just trying to throw some spot welds down in here, but the flick up from the air vent makes access into this edge pretty tricky. Now this is my normal electrode that I've been spot welding along with. We're trying to get that into there. You see at the angle there, it's only really touching on the edge of this. I can't get down as low as I want to, so I've just swapped these out with ones that I've kind of just reduced the thickness of the electrode there, just so I can get into those joints. Previously used that end of these on tight areas, but now I need it even tighter. So there you go. They just swap out with an Allen key. Just undo this bolt here, Allen head on the other side, and then yeah, it just compresses the slot here to clamp them up. Right then, need to get these welded up now on the A posts here. We've got about a mil gap on this one, which is good. Just going to manipulate it to try and get this ridge in line. Don't worry if it hangs out on the inside or the outside. We'll blend that in later. So let's see if we can get a weld on there. Right, there we go. Got some weld on there. Got that ground. Got this feathered in on both sides. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect because the seam strip comes down here and the seal obviously on there. But that join there is not got any cracks in it. It's got weld all the way across it. Obviously get a skimmer filler, but I think we're okay. Onto that side, and a few more spot welds as well. Spot welder gets heavy, so I have to stop and do other jobs in between. Sorry, it fell off. But good news is I've finished finishing that. I'll just even up this bit here, and then we'll cover it with a bit of paint.